Hi everybody, how is everybody doing? It's been a while since I've done a video in here, and I wanted to make sure that I stay in contact with all you guys. I do want to do more videos, just always not sure what you guys want to hear or what you want me to do a video on. So if you want to help me with that, I'd appreciate it. I'm sitting in my car here. I got a co-worker that's commenting on my video here, being a goofball. So if you hear any noise, that's my co-worker, crazy guy over there. So anyways, the reason why I'm coming to you right now is not only just to say, hey, how are you doing? I wanted to talk to you a little bit about what I did on my lunch hour today. Today I had 2 deliveries to make to customers. And I do have more to make tonight after work. That's how I schedule my deliveries, is I figure out who can I reach during my lunch hour, and then who can I reach after work, and I just do a few each time, or as many as I think that I can on that day, to not overwhelm myself with doing like 20 deliveries all in one day. Since I'm doing them, on my lunch hour and stuff. But after I did my 2 deliveries, I went and got lunch. Guess what I got? DQ. I went to DQ. Yeah. I'm being bad. I got a Wimpy. And I got some potato chips. I'm being bad. And I got a vanilla Coke. I love vanilla Coke. I haven't tried theirs though. I'm waiting to see. But anyways, I took a Avon brochure up to the window with me. And I waited patiently until it was my turn. And then when it was my turn, I started telling her what I wanted. She got my food and came back, and she looked down on the countertop because I had, not this one, but the previous one. I used one of my older brochures. I had it laying down there. And she says, is that for us? And I said, yes, of course it is. And she said, awesome. And I told her I'd brought brochures there before, but it was last season, and I hadn't been there this season since they opened up. So I gave her my brochure. On the front of my brochure right now, I have a label that says that I'm hiring, and to please contact me if they're interested. It doesn't give a lot of information. It just says, that's basically what it says, is I'm hiring. Because I want to talk to them. If they are interested in earning extra money, or if they're interested in a full-time job or whatever, I want to be able to physically talk to them. I don't want them to just read the label and not communicate with me. Because sometimes I can talk to someone and I can find out what their why is. They call it their why, what they want, what they need in their life, and I can figure out if Avon is going to be a good fit for them or not. So anyways, so she is going to be contacting me. She says she sold Avon before, but she is interested in talking at least about doing it again. Now, the reason why I'm sharing all this with you guys is just to show you that, hey, I'm still out here, that I do work my Avon business every day, Monday through Sunday. I do take time off for family. My daughter and I, we do things. We go to the movies, we go places, we go out to eat. We do the weekend things, but I'm still always working my business. But also I wanted to show you that Avon does not have to be that hard. You can take your business everywhere you go. As long as you have these with you, as long as you're buying these, you got to buy them first. But as long as you are buying these and you take these with you everywhere you go, you're going to come in contact with people. Whether it's at the register, whether it's at the doctor's office, whether it's at the swimming pool, because it's about to be swimming season. If you have these, and you have these out where people can see them, or if you approach people with these and ask them if they would like to take this home with them, and look through it, you are going to get customers, and you possibly are going to get people who may want to do what you're doing. And that is how you make money. That is how you make money fast in this business, and that's how you get the most sales in this business. Yes, social media is great, and I'm trying to grow my social media sales, but it's a very, very slow process to get people to want to go on there and actually buy and purchase from your website. It's doable. I mean, follow Emily Seagren. I think she sold $90,000 or something like that last year. So it's doable. Even when you go online to sell, it takes time. You've got to sit there and you've got to figure out your post. You've got to figure out what you want to say. You got to figure out, okay, this, I didn't get very much reaction. Now this post, maybe I'll do a different post. You've got to be taking selfies and taking images and pictures of you with your Avon products work the best, instead of just the image that Avon gives us. An image of you with your products, whatever ones that you are currently using. You have to blog. You have to learn how to get on there and blog. I'm doing a few blogs here and there when I get time, and I'm trying those. You've got to try every single thing to see what's going to work for you. I'm doing an event in May, by the way, May 5th. It's on a Saturday, the first Saturday in May. I think that's May 5th. I'm doing an event down in Connersville. I think it's from 8 to 2 or 8 to 3. If you are interested in growing your business, and if you're interested in gaining new customers, come with me and we'll put your brochures out there, and I'll show you basically how I do an event. But once you get the customers, you got to be willing to support them and follow up with them. So that's that. Some of you, I know some of you are comfortable with what you're doing, but yet some of you may want to grow your business. If you want to grow your business, if you want to earn more sales, if you want more money in your pocket, then these are the types of things that you need to do. All of it takes time, every single bit of it. You can put a little time in it and make a little money, or you can put a lot of time in it and make a lot of money. It's up to you. I can sit here and I can do live video every single day. I can call you every single day. I can message you every single day. You can ignore my messages or you can respond, but ultimately it is up to you to work your business. I can show you how. I can show you what I'm doing and what I'm doing, what works for me, what doesn't work for me, but you're going to have to figure out what works for you. But you've got to try. You've got to put forth the effort to try. Unless you're exactly comfortable with what you're doing and you don't care if you earn more money or not, then stay with doing what you're doing. But if you want to earn more money, then you've got to do some of these things. And if you need help with any of them, have questions, or you want me to do them with you in the beginning so you can see how I do it, or so that you're more comfortable not going alone, message me. I am here. I'm here for you guys. I want you guys to earn money. I want you guys making posts that says, oh my gosh, I just made X amount of dollars. I want that for you guys. But you have to also want it for yourself. You have to want it bad enough that you're willing to work. If someone told you, I will hire you for my shop. I have a shop in town, and I'll hire you, and I'll let you make a 6-figure income out of that shop. But here's the deal. You've got to show up for work every single day. You've got to be passionate about what you're doing. You've got to be happy with what you're doing. You've got to talk to the customers when they come in. I'm going to give you a list of people to call. You've got to call other people to try to gain new customers. And you've got to post on social media to try to get customers there so that we can try to get sales going through social media. Would you take the job for a six-figure job? An annual salary of 6 figures. Would you take that job if they told you that you'll have it? You'll get that 6 figures, but you got to work for it. That's, no job out there is going to just hand you money and not have you work. The beauty about this business is you can work your tail off and you can reap the rewards of working your tail off. If you go to work for corporate America, which I do, you can work your tail off and you're going to make the same amount of money you made last week. They can put more responsibilities on you and possibly give you a small raise for those extra job duties that you're now going to do, but you're going to be busting butt every single day to get those job duties done. They determine what you're going to make. In this business, you get to determine what you're going to make. You put forth the effort, you get the money. It's all up to you. Do you want the money? Do you want it? Do you want to be able to pay for summer vacations and being able to go on road trips? And do you want to be able to get out of debt and pay off your debt? Do you want to buy a new home? Do you want to buy a new car? Do you want to be debt-free and live financial freedom? To actually feel it. To owe nobody nothing. So therefore, every dime you're making is yours to spend. Do you want to get that in your life? Or are you comfortable living in debt? Me personally, I want to be debt-free. I'm working towards it. I'm working towards my future. I want to retire early. And when I say retire, that means I'm still going to be working my Avon business. But I want to work hard now so that I don't have to work so hard later on in my life. I want out of corporate America, but in order to get me out of corporate America, I have to earn the same wages that I'm currently making, or even more. So I've got to get there. And in order to get there, I've got to work. I've got to work my butt off to get there. I've got to find the customers. I've got to find the team members. We've got to build our team up. We've got to build ourselves up. That's how we all get paid. But just some food for thought, I just wanted to show you that it's not hard. I am getting customers every single week. Every single week I'm getting customers. Every single campaign I have new customers that I have brought on board to my business. How am I doing that? Am I running ads? No, I'm not running ads in no paper or anything. I'm out and about and I'm talking to people, and the more people know me as the Avon lady or the Avon representative, whatever you want to call yourself, the more the word's getting out there about me, the more people are seeing me on social media. People are seeing me deliver packages to their neighbors. You got those nosy neighbors that are checking everybody out, They see me walking up with my Avon bags. They see my Avon plate on the front of my car. Word of mouth. I get a lot of customers from word of mouth because of giving my current customers the best customer service I can give them. So therefore, they tell their friends, I finally found an awesome Avon lady. She's really good. She shows up when she says she is. She brings me my orders. She calls me. She checks on me. So then, they're telling their girlfriends, and their girlfriends are like, I want an Avon representative to bring me a book or to call me. So that's how word of mouth. Word of mouth does a lot. So that's why you always need to be giving good customer service, so that you have the good word of mouth going around about you. Not bad. But anyways, I just wanted to bring that to you. Even at DQ, even at DQ, you can find customers and possibly a potential person for your team, so that you can start making money off of your team. But if you have any other questions, if you have any comments, don't be afraid to make them. That's what we're here for. We're here to hash things out, to talk about things, to get new things in your mind, to spark your interest, to motivate you to get out there, to show you that I'm working my business. You know, it can be done. So everybody have a happy Friday. The sunshine, oh my gosh, I am loving the sunshine. I've got a seasonal allergy thing going on, but other than that, I'm loving it. But unfortunately, I have to go back into work, into corporate America, and I will be out and about tonight with my Avon deliveries. So again, if you'd like to go with me on that event that I'm doing down in Connersville, May the 5th, message me or tell me that you're interested. More than one person can go. We can put your brochures out there with your name, your contact information. People can get with you if you're interested in growing your business. So everybody have a blessed weekend. I will talk to you on the next video. And again, stay smiling and enjoy life.